to change out the screen. Unfortunately, moving the computer around at some point, we got a crack and spiral or radiated out from here, and over time some of the liquid has leaked out, so we're going to replace it. So here we go. I had already had to pop this screen off to get to the number on the back, so you can see some of it's already loose. This little spatula tool I got from a previous replacement when I was working on some watches, and it seemed to do quite well for this. So right along the bottom edge here, there is some tape that holds the old screen on. You have to remove that. And the rest of that will come off as I undo the screen and pull it down. So get that started. The 4 screws that hold it, there's one here, and a couple more at the bottom. Like I said, I took the others out so I could get to the back of the screen to find the screen model numbers. You can see the screen is now becoming quite loose. Basically, to disconnect the screen, there's some tape here. Which holds on the connector to the screen from the laptop. Just gently pry that up. Damage that connector. Just want to check to make sure I have the exact replacement here. It looks like I do. Yep. So it just slides right out. Just set that in the back there. Now we need to take the rest of this tape off here. I'm trying not to damage the adhesive on the laptop itself, because I want to reuse. That. Oh, looks like I got the wrong side here. just gently putting a little pressure on that plastic film that's attached to the screen, and just prying it off so that I don't break the bezel, the black plastic part that goes around the screen to hold it into the computer. There's the old screen out. And the new screen is here. Now, one thing we will have to do is take the cover off. You can see the old one is a matte, this one's a glossy display. Unfortunately, the folks at Laptop Screen didn't have a matte available, matte display, so I got this one. Now I'm just sliding the connector back in, it'll snap, and then put the tape on. One thing I do want to do though, before I button this up, is test the screen. Because of course it would really be unfortunate if the screen I got was not functioning. So we'll line that up. Ah, voila! The new screen works beautifully. So now we just want to line that up. I'm actually pressing from the back of the screen with my other hand that you can't see, but there we go, that all snapped on. Yep, all snapped in place. The new screen is done. Let's check it one more time. There it is. Tuesday, October 15th, 3:57. Takes about 10 minutes or so, 15. That's the first one I've ever done. I don't know, seems to have worked out great.